little yogis. Are you ready to stretch, move, and have fun? Let's go on a magical yoga adventure.
Stand up nice and tall. Jump your feet out wide. Raise your arms up high. Now jump back in. Lie down on your back. Lift your feet off the floor. Now move your feet like riding a bicycle. Stand on your feet apart. Push your hips back. Bend your knees. Now stand back up. Repeat the process. Step 1 foot forward. Bend your front knee. Stretch your back leg straight behind you. Now lift your arms up high. Now do a push-up. Place your hands on the floor. Keep your body nice and straight. Lower yourself slowly. Sit back on your heels. Now slowly bend forward. Rest your forehead down. Stretch your arms in front. On the floor, hips up high. Now slowly lift one leg up. Stretch it straight behind you. Stand tall. Run in place. Lift your knees up high. Swing your arms. Keep moving. One leg and straight the other. Now slowly lift your hip. Put your hands down on ground. Stack one knee over the other. Now lift your arm up. Bend it behind your back. Get into a plank. Bring one knee to your chest. Now switch. Run your knees fast. Bring one knee forward. Place it in front of you. Stretch your other leg straight back. Rise on your toes and arms overhead. Step 1 foot forward. Bend both knees. Push back up. Now switch legs. Take big steps. nice and tall. Now bend one leg and hold with both hands near chest. Sit down cross-legged. Press your hands down strong. Now try to lift your body up with the help of both hands. Sit down. Place your hands behind you. Lift your hips up. Walk forward. Now backward. Stand on your legs and bend knees and widen your legs. Now touch your hands to the toes. Lean against the wall. Slide down. Sit like you're on a chair. Keep your back on the wall. Come down onto your elbows. Place your forearms on the floor. Now lift your hips up high. Stretch your arms out. Make big circles, round and round. Now go the other way. Now stand on one leg and lift the other. Hold your toe with hand. Stand up on one leg. Now lift one leg up. Hold your big toe with your hand. Squat down low. Place your hands near the floor. Now jump forward. Sit down with your legs straight in front. Now lift both arms up to the sky. Come on to your hands and knees. Keep your back flat like a table. Now stretch one arm forward and the opposite leg back. Stand tall. Slowly bend forward. Reach for your toes. Stretch your legs. Sit down and straighten your feet together. Now slowly bend forward. Reach your hands toward your toes. Stack one knee over the other. Now lift your arm up. Bend it behind your back.